Below the planet Mars. At a depth of 80 meters, new source of horror. If we say that research and discoveries related to Mars sometimes are on par with nail-biting suspense thriller movies, it would not be an exaggeration. It is one such recent invention that we are going to take a detailed look at here. It's a bigger matter than the NASA hole. Recently, NASA's Perseverance rover drilled a hole in the Martian rock. A shock was waiting inside that hole. That is organic rich material found in Martian rock drilled by the Perseverance rover. Following that, now at a depth of 80 meters, at a time when organic rich material found on Mars is seen as a key sign of microbial life there. Under the planet Mars. At a depth of 80 meters. A new source of horror is stuck. But it is not America's NASA that has discovered it, China's National Space Administration. Has China also gone to Mars? Yes. One of China's Mars rovers, called Zhurong, is actively exploring Mars. Zhurong, China's first rover to land on another planet, is part of the Tianwen-1 mission, China's Mars mission. That source caught by Zhurong. China's Zhurong rover has a very important talent. Zhurong's radar imager can probe up to 100 meters below the surface. As such, this Mars rover, while probing what lies beneath the surface of Mars, has found evidence of 2 catastrophic floods on Mars. Yes. You read that right. On Mars, flood. For the uninitiated, Mars, also known as the Red Planet, has, at one time, had water. But about 4 billion years ago, the core of Mars cooled, causing Mars to lose its magnetic field, and consequently Mars began to fall prey to the solar wind. What after that? Mars, slowly dying. The direct solar wind compressed the Martian atmosphere. The water resources there disappeared, leaving only traces. This is how, geographically speaking, the planet became a desert long ago. Yet the signs buried within Mars never change. Floods on Mars, how discovered? China's Mars rover Zhurong's radar has found no evidence of liquid water down to a depth of 80 meters, in the southern part of Utopia Planitia, which it studies. But it found 2 horizontal layers with interesting patterns. 3 billion years ago, according to Chinese geologist Chen Ling, the layers may have been formed as a result of very rapid floods that carried sediments to the region when there was a lot of water activity on Mars 3 billion years ago. After all, the flood once overflowed on Mars, just like what is happening on Earth right now.